Lakshmi and I'm here as part of Lifestyle and Fitness series by Habitatschools. We have done challenges before, right? So today I have again come up with another challenge, which is a wall sit challenge. All that we need is a wall to do this challenge. We are maintaining a steady sitting position without a chair against a wall and then trying to stay there for as long as we can. Try this workout with me and see how long you can hold it. A nice exercise for all the lower body muscles, right? So what are we supposed to do for a challenge? How long did you hold it for? Take a small video and send it across to us so that we can post it in our social media. Thank you so much for doing the challenge with me. See you in the next one.